Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best foods to help you lose weight, along with some delicious recipes you can easily make at home. We're talking about real food, good food, the kind of stuff that tastes so good you won't even believe it's good for you. And the best part? These recipes are easy to whip up, even on your busiest weeknights. So let's get started. All right. Let's kick off our weight loss journey with a breakfast that's both delicious and nutritious. Avocado and egg toast. It's packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and energized all morning long. We're talking about creamy avocado, perfectly toasted bread, and a couple of gorgeous eggs cooked just the way you like them. Start by toasting 2 slices of whole grain bread until they're golden and crispy. While the bread is toasting, cut a ripe avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop out the flesh into a bowl. Mash it with a fork and add a squeeze of lemon juice, salt, and pepper to taste. See, we're already halfway there. Now heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a little oil and crack in 2 eggs. You can cook them sunny side up or scramble them, whichever you prefer. Spread the mashed avocado evenly over the toasted bread slices. Place the cooked eggs on top. Sprinkle with red pepper flakes for an extra kick, and voila! A nutritious, delicious breakfast ready in minutes. Next up, we're going for a flavor-packed quinoa and veggie salad. This one is perfect for lunch or a light dinner. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, and it's also a good source of fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied. Plus, we're loading it up with fresh, colourful veggies for an extra dose of vitamins and minerals. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. In a pot, bring 2 cups of water to a boil, add the quinoa, reduce to a simmer, and cook for about 15 minutes until the water is absorbed. Fluff with a fork and let it cool. While the quinoa is cooking, dice 1 cucumber, 1 bell pepper, halve the cherry tomatoes, and finely chop a 1/4 cup of red onion. In a large bowl, combine the cooled quinoa, diced vegetables, and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil, add the lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Toss everything together and you have a fresh, filling salad. Chapter 3. Baked salmon with asparagus. Easy and elegant. Let's talk about dinner. This baked salmon with asparagus is so easy to make, it's practically foolproof. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your heart and brain health, and asparagus is a good source of fiber and vitamins. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. On a baking sheet, spread out the trimmed asparagus and drizzle with a tablespoon of olive oil. Season with salt and pepper. Place the salmon fillets on the same baking sheet. Drizzle with the remaining olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and top with lemon slices and fresh dill if you like. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Serve immediately. Chapter 4. Greek Yogurt Parfait, the perfect snack attack. Need a snack that won't derail your weight loss goals? This Greek yogurt parfait is here to save the day. Greek yogurt is higher in protein than regular yogurt, which can help you feel full and satisfied, and it's also a good source of calcium. In a glass or bowl, start with a layer of Greek yogurt. Add a layer of fresh berries, then a layer of granola. Repeat the layers until you reach the top. Finish off with a drizzle of honey on top. This parfait is perfect for a quick breakfast or a healthy snack. Chapter 5. Chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Fast, fresh, and flavorful. Last but not least, let's whip up a chicken and vegetable stir-fry. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you need a healthy meal on the table fast. We're using lean chicken breast for protein, and we're loading it up with colourful veggies for added fibre, vitamins, and minerals. Heat sesame oil in a large pan, or wok over medium-high heat. Add the sliced chicken breasts and cook until browned and cooked through. Remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, add a little more oil if needed and sauté the minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds. Add the broccoli, bell pepper, and carrot. Stir-fry for about 5 to 7 minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. Return the cooked chicken to the pan, pour in the soy sauce, and stir everything together until well combined and heated through. Garnish with sesame seeds if desired and serve immediately. And there you have it. 5 easy, delicious and healthy recipes to help you lose weight. Give these a try and let us know which one is your favorite in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more healthy eating tips and recipes. We've got so much more to share with you, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you next time.